Welcome back, everyone. I am still in my long trade. Stop losses are set, but we have an important video today for you ahead of FOMC this week and the federal funds rate coming out. I want to get you guys prepared. We're going to look at BTC and what we need to do to continue this uptrend. If we want this uptrend that we are in to continue to our targets to the upside, what I want to see, where my point of, okay, I'm getting out of this trade is going to be at. Something else that I'm looking at, smaller time frame. We're going to dive deep into this real quick, smaller time frame. I'm going to show you guys a trade that I'm seeing setting up right now as well. So stick with me through this whole video. I'm going to make it quick, and I want to prepare you for the week ahead in the markets. Before we get started, comment down below, guys. Comment down below. Do you think FOMC on Wednesday, September 18th, do you think it will pump the markets or dump the markets overall? I'm not talking like a little pump and then dump. I'm talking overall, like leading into next week, the week after. Do you think we will top out and start coming down, or do you think it will project the market up towards all-time highs? What I'm saying, pump or dump the markets. What do you think is going to happen? Like the video if you haven't already, and let's get right into the charts, everybody. Thank you for being here. Subscribe for daily videos. If you're not already, I don't know what you're doing. I'm showing you guys my trades. I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing day after day after day after day. All right. So for Bitcoin, just smaller time frame right now over the weekend, we're kind of consolidating here at this level. Things are looking a little bearish. I'm not going to lie. Looks slightly bearish, but I'm not worried about it. We're going to see what tomorrow New York Open brings. But I'm going to show you something that I'm looking at within this structure smaller time frame. Before we do that, though, I want to head over a little bit zoomed out. We're on the hourly chart here. Let me put a little watermark in here for you guys. And I'm going to show you what I need to happen to allow this uptrend to continue on Bitcoin. All right. So overall, I need this wave that we're in currently to not come lower than this price level right here. You know, I'm not saying this is the end all be all. If we cross here, it's just 100% to the downside. I'm not saying that, but for my impulsive structure that I am playing to be valid, I need this level to hold. I need this level to hold simply because this is for me a 1, 2. Hopefully this is a 3 finished. We're getting a 4 and then into an extended 5th on a smaller degree, right, of our overall structure, which is impulsive to the upside. It's the structure that I am playing. So for that to be the case, I cannot come below this level. It just wouldn't look good to me anymore. I'm hoping we hold this. There is liquidity down here, and again, we're going to zoom in on this, and I'm going to show you the trades that I am looking at next for my premium members, at least, and my community. So, you know, over in the premium membership, I did post an alert today to long this level at 59,677. It looked good to me as a finished flat and ended up bouncing exactly off of that level, which was lucky. We were in a winning trade. I told them to put their stop loss in profit. I tried to guide my community best I can. Stop loss was in profit on that trade, and we ended up coming down pretty heavily and took out the stop loss. So in profit, got round tripped. We'll see what happens next. I'm on the lookout. And we're going to go over what I'm looking at smaller time frame for you guys here in these trades. Now going back to the overall, actually, guys, if you want to get into premium for the daily alerts, my 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts, my Elliott Wave courses in here, head into the free Discord, link below. You'll get access to the free community. Join the conversation. I do post free alerts, but upgrade here within the Discord. Here's the link to sign up. You get $25 off your first month with code 25OFF, and I am increasing the price to $98 September 18th, which is Federal Funds Day. Wednesday, September 18th, the price will be increased, and it's never coming back. So if you want to lock in the price today for life, you need to sign up before September 18th. And I'm probably going to increase the price again after that because it's still too cheap. So get in there, Give it a try with code 25 off. We'll give you $25 off the first month. All right, back into the charts. I need Bitcoin to continue its impulsive patterns. For me, it's starting to get to the point where it's a little tough. I needed a big impulsive move here. I needed a push up here. We're not getting that right now. What we're getting is a series of like little corrections, little corrections, little corrections, little corrections. When you don't get a solid push higher to the next level, we can get it overnight. We can get up overnight. I need to get out of this area. I need to get out of this area. We can get it overnight, but how it's looking right now is more of a WXY shape. And I'm going to show you what that shape looks like. And so just so you're aware of it. If we cut below this level, I will probably be entertaining that idea and leaning more towards that idea more. All right. So ultimately, FOMC on Wednesday, I'm looking to be up around 65K. I want to be up at those price levels during FOMC. I don't want to still be lingering down here. I don't want to be in all this junk. I want to be pushed up right here. And then when FOMC hits, we can do a liquidity sweep to the upside around 67K. And in that day, the following days, there's still news after that with unemployment claims and stuff like that. So there's volatility to be had. And then I'm looking for our bigger dump after FOMC. That's just me personally. You're going to leave a comment down below on what you think is going to happen. All right. So I need this to keep impulsing. I'm going to get rid of everything and I'm going to show you the WXY look. Now, here we can say we have an ABC. We have an ABC down. And we have another ABC up. That, hey, it could be finished maybe. Could be finished, right? That would be a WXY double correction to the upside. That would be it. All right. That's when you see all of these zigzags in here. That's just the look that it gives off. If we pull fibs on our WXY, we've come close to the 1-to-1. We hit the 786, which is a valid point to turn around. This second leg of the WXY might not even be done. We could come down like this and then WXY again. Boom. And we pull the Y over here, and that would be our WXY, right? Or we could be in a flat correction for our X wave. There's many variations that can occur where, and I'm just laying them out for you because I'm aware of all of these, but I know you guys probably are not. So I need to show you every possible count. This can come up. We can have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that could just be a flat correction for our X wave, right? And then we can correct back up for our Y wave. Also another valid count, right? And then you would just pull fibs on it like so. Boom, boom, boom. Would look to come right into the fib box, still around 65K, 64K. Like that level just looks good to me. So this is a variation. A WXY is a variation that can occur. And then maybe this is a leading wave. We get a WXY correction and then we start our descent, right? It's possible, but it's not what I am playing. With this long entry, it is not what I am playing. What I am playing is an impulsive wave, and this to be an ABC. This maintains structure for me as an impulsive wave to the upside, maintains this trend line, and we keep pushing on up to targets. When I took this long down here, this was the wave that I was playing. So far, so good. We're at a point where it's do or die, but so far, so good. So that's where I'm at. Let's zoom in smaller time frame and see what trades we're looking at here immediately for you guys going into tomorrow. I do trade on Blowfin. If you guys want to check out Blowfin, it's literally what everyone is using now, myself included. Obviously, there are no KYC. You sign up with an email, amazing liquidity, so many coins to trade. And if you want to capitalize on this deposit bonus here, well, not deposit bonus, you get a $100 refund on your first losing trade with this link right here pinned in the first comment. So go put in a free trade, give them a try, and I'm 100% positive you will love them. So go throw in your free trade, get your $100 refund if you lose at the least with this link right here. I hooked you guys up. So go check them out. Now going smaller time frame, we are on the literal 1 minute. Let's zoom out a little bit, 5 minutes. If this plays out, now again, we're in the weekend. This is the weekend, low volume. So this could be a finished correction to the downside right here. We could have impulsed, we could have corrected already, and we might be starting to push up. Very valid, and I hope that is the case for my trade. But I wouldn't be longing this right this second. After we got a nice ABC look here, we impulse down. You almost expect this to come down, right? So I wouldn't be putting trades in here right at this level where we're at. I would be waiting until we get more of a defined ABC look. Maybe come into this fair value gap, pull fibs on it, and that would be, yes, I would be counting this as a flat correction to the upside, because this entire wave just looks impulsive off of that bottom. So if we get a move like this overnight and we push down into the territory of 58.8K, somewhere in this region, yeah, I would probably gonna alert my group depending on how it looks, but wouldn't hate you for putting in this long. Again, I do not want this level to get taken out, so it's fair to put a stop loss here, play for the big move up, take profits along the way, but that's what your trade is looking like. It's what looks juicy to me. I would wait until this plays out, until you're in a trade that, sometimes not being in a trade is the best trade to be in, So just be patient, wait for the price to play out, however it's going to play out, and when the timing looks right, when the structure looks right, I fire my trade in, all right? Just know the market will reveal itself at some point. It may seem a little indecisive right now, but it will reveal itself at some point. You just got to be patient and wait and not blow your entire load trying to get into these small time frame trades and just trade every second of every day, guys. All right, it's the best advice I can give you. So join the premium. I'll help you out. I'm in here answering everyone's questions. I'm fully devoted to my premium members. There's so much included. You need to try it. Get in there before September 18th, before I jack the price. Check out Blowfin if you're looking for a new exchange, no KYC. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you for taking the time with me today. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning. Come market open. I'm ready for it, baby. I love you. Bye.